Hey everyone, I'm Blue. If you've ever watched the Realm of Shadows anime and wondered how the card game works, you're in the right place. In this series, I'll teach you everything you need to know to start playing the Realm of Shadows card game. Let's lock in. Realm of Shadows is a strategic trading card game where two players battle using creatures, rituals, counters, and powerful abilities. Every deck is unique, and every game requires planning, strategy, and a little bit of luck. During a game, players use creatures, activate powerful cards, and try to reduce their opponent's life total to 0. Heal, I'm going to teach you every step by step throughout this series. So if you're hungry to learn, you're in the right place. Realm of Shadows focuses on strategy, resource management, and creative deck building. Whether you enjoy powerful creatures, tricky effects, or outsmarting your opponent, there's a playstyle for you. Just make sure you don't overcomplicate things. Now that you know what Realm of Shadows is, it's time to learn where everything goes. In the next lesson, we'll break down the entire playfield and explain what every zone does. I'll see you there.